Amit P Naharin அன்பு நிறைந்த வணக்கம். Hi, my name is Amit Nahar, and over the last 22 years, we are on a mission to empower business owners like yours to design, automate, and accelerate their business. It's indeed our pleasure and privilege to be supporting you in the upcoming workshop, The Fueling Sales Excellence. Now, in today's changing and challenging times, businesses face two key challenges. In a recent survey, we had seen that the competition has doubled than what it was 5 years ago. Now, businesses have lost their market share almost 50% during this time. The second key challenge is that no business is safe today. We have just one agenda in this workshop, my dear friends, brothers, and sisters. How do we get together and co-create a scalable, predictable revenue growth? அதுதான் நம்மளோட முக்கிய நோக்கம் in this workshop. இது ஒரு சான்ஸ் இல்லை, இது ஒரு change that we wish to bring about in our mindset, skills, and strategies that we adopt from here now to take our business to a whole new level of growth. உங்களோட சேல்ஸை அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு கொண்டு போக இந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப்பை மிஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி உங்களோட சேல்ஸ் க்ரோத்தை கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்கள்.